What's up YouTube, my name is David and welcome to KDT. So today I'm going to show you how to make your ruler visible on Microsoft Word. But before I begin, I just want to ask you to please like and subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost you anything, of course. It's just the way of thanking me for bringing this content to you, and also it helps me to grow. So without wasting any time, I'm just going to show you how to make ruler visible on your Microsoft Word. So what you have to do is to go on view, then click this tab, then it will show view, page moment and show. So you have to go on this whereby it says ruler and click this box here, then it will automatically show you these rulers here, then the vertical ruler and the horizontal rulers here. So that's how you can make your ruler visible on your Microsoft Word. But if ever your Microsoft Word doesn't show this tab here, view, let me return on home. Let me just untick this first, then return on home. Maybe your Microsoft Word doesn't have this tab here, view. What you can do is to go on this tab that says tell me what to do. So this search tab, like that, just click on this search tab and search ruler, then it will show you here. Then just click on this button here, then it will automatically show you again here. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.